Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're watching this video, then chances are that you're doing your research on the new DJI Mini 4 Pro. Similarly to me, I did research on the drone before purchasing it, and I couldn't really find much information on how the drone reacts or acts or behaves in windy conditions. For instance, will the drone be able to fly back home? Would the image quality be upheld? On a very windy day down here in Victoria, it was about 33 kilometers an hour, or gust up to 33 kilometers an hour. I decided to take out the drone and fly it over a local harbour, not too far from us. And yeah, I'll show you the video now. Here you can see the gusts of wind reflected on the surface of the water. I would also like to add at this point that I'm in no way a professional videographer, and this drone is making my life easy. There were occasions where the RC2 remote would notify me of harsh winds and suggested that I come home, which made me a bit nervous. However, the drone handled it like a pro. Get it? Mini 4 Pro? Thank you for watching. See you next time with more exciting footage.